Welcome back everyone. Today's video we're going to talk about RIP and RIPng. First, let's talk about RIP. What is RIP? RIP stands for Routing Information Protocol. That is a distance vector routing protocols. It's use hop count metric to calculate the base route paths. RIP is an open standard protocol, means it you can use on any router. And let's start to configure it. We use router RIP to enable RIP, and we choose our range in the both side. Then exit. We do the same things in R2, and we consider of any side that R2 connected. And easy peasy lemon squeezy. Okay, now you can see we have a complete RIP routing. Just this. Let's jump into RIPng. That's it's so important. Well, in RIPng we have a IPv6, and this is a new feature for RIP. In this lab, we learned how to configure new network, and we have a engineering, marketing and accounting department. We want to use our IPv6 and RIPng on two router. You can see we have a 3 router, and I consider 2 switches from router 2 and router 1. First, we need to get IP address and assign an IP address to all interfaces. So I try to write a description and start to assign IPv6 address. Then I assign a link local, and I repeat the process to all interfaces. After you have implemented your addressing, enable RIP on the R1 using the following command is global configuration mode. First of all, we need to enable RIP version 6 with the IP version 6 unicast routing. We type IP version 6 router RIP routing RIPng and exit. After that, we want to apply this to our interface and enable this IP version 6 RIP routing RIPng enable. Exit and choose the serial port RIP version 6 RIP or routing RIPng and enable. Notice that IP version 6 routing must be enabled prior to configure RIPng using the RIP version 6 unicast routing command. The network statement has been eliminated in RIPng. RIPng routing is enabled at the interface level instead and is identified by a locally significant process names as a multiply process can be created with RIPng. After we apply it in R2 also, we configure RIP and RIPng. That's it. We cover how this dynamic routing protocol work, their difference and where they used. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next network tutorials. Got a question or want me to cover another topic? Drop a comment below and I read everyone. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.